dream so fine. I'll always remember me and my friends in hang time. Me and my friends in hang time. Hang time.
Rico, looks like you're needing a little more air in those Jordans.
Rico, you've got to stay between the ball and the basket. Keep your hands up and stay low, like this.
Oh, jeez. Coach, right now you better do the opposite. Stay up and keep your hands low.
Just work on the defense. I'll be back. Oh, hi, Kristy. Nurse Gordon.
Hello, Coach. Something wrong?
I'm okay. I just ripped my pants.
Oh, darn. I was hoping you were hurt or something.
Didn't mean to disappoint you.
Well, I didn't mean it like that. It's my first day assisting Nurse Gordon. I haven't even opened up a Band-Aid.
Well, maybe you'll get lucky and I'll crack my head open.
Okay, just let me know.
Silk, your shoelace is untied.
I'll tie it later.
Well, you better tie him now, man, because you might just do that.
Ow! You okay? No. That's why I'm yelling, ow!
Can I take this one?
Go ahead. I'm here if you need me.
Let me take a look.
What happened?
Silk fell and scraped his hands. Isn't that great? My first camp medical emergency. Okay, Silk, I'm going to disinfect the wound.
Oh, man, this is going to hurt like the mother of scrapes.
Rico!
Hey, with a little luck and a few more injuries, you might become a doctor sooner than you think.
There, you feel better?
Wow, it doesn't even hurt anymore. Kristy, you are amazing.
Thanks.
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry. Hey, Coach, what's up?
I've got a splinter in my finger the size of a 2x4, and I can't get the dang thing out.
Kristy, I'll need some cotton balls and rubbing alcohol. Thank you. Let's take a look, Coach.
Ouch!
She didn't even touch you. The bigger they are, the louder they scream.
Isn't that the truth? Okay, all done.
You're kidding. I didn't feel a thing. How about I buy you a soda to say thanks?
No, thanks. I'm not thirsty.
Not you, Nurse Gordon.
Sounds fun. Kristy, we'll be in the mess hall in case there's an emergency.
I'll make sure there isn't.
Kristy, we need some help.
I was attacked by a wild animal.
That's terrible. What was it?
A bumblebee.
Am I going to die? Am I going to die?
You're not going to die. It's just a bee sting.
I'll go get the nurse.
You don't have to bother her. I can take care of it. Besides, it looks like the stinger already fell out. I'll just clean it up, and you'll be as good as new.
Oh, I'm impressed. We should start calling you Dr. Kristy. Medicine redhead. Hi there, handsome. Oh, yeah, you got it going on.
Still, give it a rest, man. We're trying to get some sleep.
Hey, I am ultrasonically removing plaque. Healthy gums mean healthy teeth, and healthy teeth mean good-looking ladies.
Turn it off or you're not going to have any ladies or teeth.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Rico, stop scratching.
It's not me.
Look, it's probably just some squirrels on the roof.
Shut up! See? You gotta know how to talk to the animals.
Now you shut up.
Oh, you shut up.
You always going to get the last word in.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
And now what? Who's moaning?
I'm getting scared here. I don't like strange noises in my sleeping area. Okay, what was that?
I think someone's in here. How come my bed's shaking? Don't ask me. Ask the thing that's shaking it.
Oh, boy, if we ever get stuck in a dark alley, I hope it's not with any of you wimps.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do better than that to scare us.
All right, then how come Rico's still gasping for air?
He's faking. Rico, cut it out.
Rico, are you okay?
I can't catch my breath.
We really scared the pickles out of him.
I'm serious. I can't breathe.
Oh my gosh, what should we do? Well, let's get him to the nurse.
Don't worry, Rico. We'll get you some help.
Yeah. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
It sounds like an allergic reaction. Rico, are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm getting dizzy. Do something.
Maybe it's asthma?
He doesn't have asthma.
Oh, can't you help him?
Please, please.
Did anything unusual happen to him today?
Yeah, he got stung by a bee, but that was after dinner, and I took care of it.
Oh, my gosh.
What?
Christy, you should have told me.
Well, why? He seemed fine earlier.
Because when people get stung by bees, you have to keep an eye on them for a few hours in case they're allergic to bee stings.
Rico, I am so sorry.
I think the shot's working.
Hey, you feeling any better, man?
I'm starting to.
Thank goodness. That was scary.
I could finally catch my breath.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling better, but I want to keep an eye on you for another couple of hours. Come on.
Just chill out for a second.
You just rest. Christy, it's a good thing they brought him in when they did.
Well, why? What would have happened?
Well, if his reaction had been bad enough, he could have died.
Died? And it would have been all my fault.
Man, I can't believe we let the girls scare us last night. You guys fell for that? Takes more than a cheap Halloween mask to scare the silk man.
Hi, guys. Maybe they should transfer you to camp I'm a wussy.
Oh, we are so getting them back.
You know, I think scaring the guys is my new favorite camp activity. And they're so good at it. It's like you got a gift. Kristy, you would have been so proud of us last night.
Great.
Uh-oh, what's wrong? Did they run out of Fruity Pebbles?
How can you make jokes after what I did to Rico?
Kristy, it was an honest mistake. I mean, who could have known that Rico was allergic to bees? Even Rico didn't know.
But he could have died from that bee sting. It would have been all my fault.
Oh, like the bee had nothing to do with it.
As nurse's assistant, I'm supposed to know if somebody gets stung. You have to keep an eye on them. You don't just send them on their way.
But everybody makes mistakes. You learn from them and move on. Oh, my gosh, I sound like my mother.
You know, maybe I'm fooling myself. Maybe I don't have what it takes to be a doctor. I mean, how can I expect people to trust me when I don't even trust myself?
Hey, girls.
Rico, how are you feeling?
Fine.
I'm so sorry about last night.
Hey, that's a first. Girls saying that to me.
Rico's fine. No harm, no foul.
He just doesn't want me to feel bad. Like I could feel any worse.
This is the perfect place to think of how we're going to help Kristy.
Mm-hmm. And while we're thinking, we can get sunburned, and then she can treat us for it.
Julie, that's it. That's how we'll help Kristy. She's lost her self-confidence, right? So we'll get the guys to come down with some minor injuries
that she can cure. That way, she'll start feeling good about herself again.
Do you think Kristy will ever truly know what great friends we are?
No, but I'm sure you'll tell her.
There! Ah, my arm! Killer bear! Ah! He got me! He got me! Run! Run!
That was pretty lame, huh?
I don't know. The fake stump was a nice touch.
got you good.
Don't mess with the bed.
Who screamed? What happened? You guys are driving me nuts with all your shenanigans. This ends now. Any questions?
Yeah. What's a shenanigan?
Kristy, do you have anything for a sore throat?
Oh, so why'd you have to come when the nurse wasn't here?
Tell that to the germs.
Let me take a look. Well, it doesn't look red. What?
It hurts.
I'll get you some salt water to gargle with, and when Nurse Gordon gets back, she can take a look at you.
Kristy, we need you.
What happened?
My stomach is killing me.
He ate 6 boxes of fiddle faddle.
Well, sit here. I got just the thing for you. I'll be right back, okay?
I swallowed salt water.
Why are you gargling? You're supposed to have a sprained ankle.
I wasn't happy with that character. I just couldn't find the motivation for a sprained ankle.
Here's your motivation.
Here you go. This should unfiddle your faddle.
What is it?
A little cod liver oil.
You know, I think I'm feeling better.
Now, you don't want to make the doctor feel bad.
Can I go now?
Not until the nurse gets back. I wanted to check everything I've done.
But Dennis Rodman's here for his rebounding clinic. And fashion show.
Better safe than sorry.
Kristy, help me. I was shooting around. I jammed my finger.
What's happening out there today? Okay.
Very good. Nice job. Can you wiggle those toes? Excellent. Kristy, I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
You did a great job.
We knew you could do it.
I did do a good job, didn't I? Okay, I want everyone to take it nice and easy for the rest of the day.
So can we go?
Yes.